In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transcribe on Evernote. We'll walk through how to turn text that appears in an image into editable text directly inside one of your notes. This is really useful if you've taken a photo of handwritten notes, a slide from a presentation, or even a screenshot with text, and you want to work with that text instead of retyping everything from scratch. First, make sure you're logged into your Evernote account on the web or desktop app. Once you're in, start by selecting the note where you want the transcription to appear. You can either choose an existing note from your list or create a brand new one if you'd like to keep the transcription separate from your other content. Take a second to open that note so you can see the main editor area. With your note open, look for the formatting toolbar at the top of the editor. On that toolbar, find and click the option labeled Insert. This is where Evernote lets you add different types of content into your note, such as files, tables, and in this case, images that you want to transcribe. After clicking Insert, a small menu will appear. From this menu, choose Image. When you select Image, you'll be prompted to upload or choose the picture that contains the text you want to convert. This could be a photo from your device, a screenshot you saved, or any image file that has clear, readable text. Go ahead and select the correct image and wait for it to appear inside your note. Once the image has been added, click on the image inside the note to select it. When you do this, Evernote will show additional options related to that image. Among these options, look for Transcribe that appears in or near the image area. Click on Transcribe inside the image. Evernote will then process the image and extract the text it can recognize. After a brief moment, the transcribed text will appear as editable content in your note. From here, you can review the text, correct any recognition errors, and format it however you like. It's a good idea to quickly compare the transcription with the original image, especially if the image quality or handwriting isn't perfect. And that's all you need to do. By selecting a note, inserting an image, and using the transcribe option, you can quickly turn visual text into something